Hey guys, what's up? This is Treeman Tech here, and today I'm going to be playing Chapter 2, The Cat Alpha on Roblox. Now, before we get started, as you tell, that's kind of based off of, Teddy, except, we're in a hospital, and, there's two chapters, and there's a cat instead of Teddy, the, bear. And yeah, so anyways, also before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that we don't miss any videos. Starting tomorrow, I am going to be doing a 7-part video. Not like 7 parts in one day, but like starting from Saturday all the way up to Friday. So part 1 will be tomorrow, and then part 7 will be Friday. So anyways, without any other hesitations, let's get started. Yeah, alright, so we're in. Which is good. Yeah, so the whole point of this is just to escape, kind of the same thing as Teddy. It's somewhat the same as Teddy, but you're not in the daycare, or I think, yeah. Whoa! No, 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 no. Get away from me. Get away from me. No, no, no. Get away from me. Yeah, so that usually works sometimes. So he's kind of fast. He is kind of fast, isn't he? It's like I can't get away from him. I don't know why he's even that fast. Oh, he didn't break off. He did not break off. What? Okay, there we go. We're good. What was that? I have no idea what that was. I don't think I see anything. No. Yeah, I think this is like abandoned or something, this hospital. Like, somewhat abandoned. I mean, that's what it looks like to me. Because there's like writing on the wall, there's like... And then there's like stains and all that. And you can go up here too. This is where the cat spawns, I think. Up here. Oh, come on. Yeah, I have to try to get to that hole over there. What? No. That was not supposed to happen like that. Yep, so it looks like we're going with chapter 1 again. So here's the cutscene for the first chapter. And if we do get to chapter 2, hopefully we will, but, you know. And, video, but we'll see. One of these days, maybe. But, you know. I mean, we'll see. It just depends. It just depends on whether I get to it or not, you know. Already insta spawn in, and he's going, no he's not, or he was going for me, but now he went after the other person, but no, he was going for me, but he stopped. No, wait, I think he's coming for me. Yep, now he's coming for me. I think that's a player. No. If it was a player, then it probably would have, Wait. I can't go through there? What? No, that's not... That was not possible. I couldn't go through there. What? Yeah. Huh. A little strange. Okay, I think I might have, No, I didn't. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say, I think I might have screwed myself on this one, but I guess not, because he's not following me. I don't know if that's even a player or not. No, I think it's a AI. I think. Am I by myself now? I have a feeling I am. I think I have... Yeah, I have the feeling that I am all by myself. I might have to check the player list. Nope, now I'm not by myself. Okay. Yeah, because I was going to check the player list to see if I was by myself and whatnot, but nope, never mind, I'm not. So... Yeah, so like I said, I am going to be doing a 7-part video, but not like all 7 parts in one day, but you know, like, the part 1 will be tomorrow, and then part 2, you know, and then part 7 will be on Friday. That'll be the last part. So it's gonna be one, you know, like part of 7, you know, like 1, 2, and 3, you know, and all that. Like 1 through 7. Looks like we're getting another player here. I'm pretty good at this. Alright, so we gotta find where we gotta... Alright, so where do we gotta go? Upstairs, probably. Hold on. I may have a shortcut instead of just going up that one way. Yes. The final key. The key card. Green. Come on, grab it. Where's the... Okay. There we go. I was gonna say, where'd the interact go? Yeah, because I want to try to sneak past the, that cat. Alright, so it looks like we're gonna be able to make it. Yes, we made it. So I got the, chapter 1. What? Who is... And then it's on to chapter 2. Nice.
We're on our way to Grampy's, always such good company. It's the only place.
Yeah, the exit is open, so...
With Grampy's house. It never is too late. He will always wait. And when everybody's resting, he is always full of pep. Everybody's gonna be where? Over at Grampy's house. We're on our way to Grampy's, such good company. It's the only place to be. Where? Over at Grampy's house. It never is too late.
I don't know.
Always wait. And when everybody
Yeah, so we're just, waiting for these two, I guess. Meanwhile, I'll just look at the, oh. So we're just waiting. So... Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. So it looks like, I don't know what they're doing. So, alright, so when I come back, you know, we'll continue on. And then, yeah, alright, hold on. Alright, so I am back. The game is now over, so we are moving on to another round. So it says game in progress, but I don't know. Okay, now there we go. Alright, so we are just waiting. What? Did it just choose chapter 1 by itself? I think it did. Yeah, because if you don't like vote in time, then it just chooses for you then. So nothing here. So I think it's doing the players, so yeah, I think this is the dark, you know, the blue. Whoa, no, what? Already? No, we just just insta-caught. Hold on. No. Wait. What? You can't spectate him? No, that ain't right. Unless that's not a player. Huh. Okay. Alright, well, I'll just let the game run for a little bit, and then once the time runs out, because I don't want to bore you with this spectation. So I'm gonna go back into the menu. So when I come back, when the game's over, then I'll just come back and we'll do some more. Okay? Okay. Hold on. Okay, so I am back. I know I said I was gonna come back when the game was over, but it's not over yet. I just decided to come back on for the last minute or so. So I think this person's the only one left, if I'm not mistaken. 'Cause I don't see any other character. Oh. So yeah, I just turned down the volume a little bit so that way it's not too loud or anything. Alright, so we're down to the last. Okay. So let's go and play. It says game in progress, but we're waiting for the yeah. I don't know why it says that, but come on. What are you doing? Alright, so we're just waiting for it to we're waiting for the round to begin. I know it takes a while, but yeah, I'm just thinking. I don't know why this game does this, but yeah, there we go. Finally. Oh, the orphanage. Place that you don't want to be. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, so this is where the chapter 2 begins. I think this is where the cat spawns. Maybe not. Maybe he spawns in someone else. Oh my god. Yep. He spawns in up there. Okay, well. What's he doing? And you cannot jump either, that's not. Alright, so I got the card. Now I just gotta go find that door. Go back down here. The door is probably over there. Oh. I think that's an axe. Pickaxe? Yeah. Right? Yeah, I'm just thinking. Or at least trying to. So I got the red card. Wait. The red... Oh. Oh no. It's right over here, ain't it? And it's right where that cat is. Oh. Oh no 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 no. Get away from me, you. You are a bad cat. Get away from me, you bad cat. Alright. How am I gonna get out of this? Oh dear. Oh dear. I mean, oh no. What is he doing? Good thing I got a way out of that one. There's a burger in there. Did the other person take the wrench? Yeah. Ah, so that's where you need the axe for. There's the wrench. Oh, but somebody probably took the axe too. That's fine. Oh, yeah. What's here? Nothing. Probably nothing in here too. Oh, look. No. Does feel like it's something else too. There's nothing in these rooms. Oh, yeah, so I can use it here then. I don't know why I cannot jump. Oh, I see. So you gotta throw food at the cat. Whoa. Okay, so I figured out what that noise was. You gotta throw food at the cat. So you get to throw food at the cat, I think. Or that's what I'm thinking. At least. Where's this person going? And I probably should have took the axe and then just went in there. Can you go through there? No. Well, you can, but oh, you need a green key card. How are you? Wait. Oh, you can go in through this way. I see. Oh, you need a green key card in here. Okay. I don't know why he doesn't let me go through the, that thing, though. You know, those little holes there. See, it just doesn't let me go through for some reason. Anything in here? No. What is this? to interact with it. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Alright, wait. I'm not the only one left, am I? I just got the feeling that I'm the only one left. But where are the tools? Oh, now I can jump. Now I can jump. Huh. I wasn't able to do it before, but now I can. But I still can't go through there. I was wondering why the jump button wasn't there. Where are the tools? Where's the wrench or and the pickaxe? I don't see them anywhere. Alright, well, we'll probably play one more round because I've probably been on here for quite some time now, I believe. And I have other things to do after this. So yeah, so that's time's up, but it just takes a minute or two. Alright, anytime now. And if you're hearing noises in the background, don't worry about it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, now we're in the menu, but where's the play button? Oh, it says the game is still in progress. Well, the game is still in progress, but time should be up by now. But, you know what they say, I don't know why it just takes that long for it to do that, for it to play, but, or whatever. So we're just waiting for the game to I don't know why it just takes that long for it to do its thing. Yeah, so just don't mind any noises in the background. So long for it to load. Hold on, let me try resetting. No, I can't do that. Alright, so I guess I'll just leave the game really quick and then come back. And then, yeah, so I will be right back. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I am back. Yeah, it was taking forever to load, or to, come back into the menu, so I just left the game and then came back in. So let's go ahead and play. So it says waiting for more players. I don't know why. So yeah, so I've been on here for quite some time anyway, but so we'll probably play one more round and then we'll wrap it up from there. Okay, so
We're on our way to Memphis, always such good company. It's the only place to be. Where? Over at Grampy's house. Da-dee-da-da-dee.
I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, I don't know why the,
always wait. And when everybody's resting, he is always full of pep. Everybody's gonna be where? Over at Grampy's house. We're on our way to Grampy's. Always such
I just turned up the volume just a little.
It's the only place to be. Where? Over at Grampy's house.
Alright, well,
It never is too late.
alright. I'll try to come back and then, if it, you know, does that play thing or whatever, then I'll just come back. Okay? Okay, hold on. Okay, so I am back. Yeah, so we're in the game right now, but it's just says starting soon. I don't know why. So, you know what? This is starting okay, there we go. I was gonna say this is starting to get me all mad and whatnot because, you know, the game is just taking forever to do what it needs to do. So, but we're in, so we're good. Yeah, so I wanted to try to do the chapter 2 again, but I guess we're in the hospital, so. And yeah, so I don't know if this is gonna be the last round we're doing or what, but oops, I accidentally did that. Yeah, so that was my fault. But well, we're not gonna do the chapter 2 then, since we have already kind of done it. But you know, we've done this a lot more than we'd have with the chapter 2. So, well, alright, so this is where I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And you know, sorry for all this stuff that is happening right now. So, well, anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you don't miss any videos. I got some other things to do, so. And this is Trainman / Checka, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.